Best small car for 2025 to 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. In the fiercely competitive small car segment, the 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio has emerged as the best small car for 2025. Renowned for its exhilarating performance, striking design, and luxurious features, the Giulia Quadrifoglio continues to set the benchmark for enthusiasts seeking a blend of power and sophistication in a compact package. Unmatched performance. The 2024 Giulia Quadrifoglio is powered by a 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, delivering a formidable 505 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. This engine, which is one of the most potent in its class, propels the Giulia Quadrifoglio from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, establishing it as one of the quickest sedans on the market. The power is transmitted through an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive gear changes. Alfa Romeo's commitment to driving dynamics is evident in the Giulia Quadrifoglio's sophisticated suspension system and rear-wheel drive layout. The adaptive dampers and active front differential enhance handling, while the carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional stopping power. The car's precise steering and balanced chassis make it equally adept at navigating tight corners and delivering a thrilling straight-line performance. Distinctive design. The 2024 Giulia Quadrifoglio boasts a design that exudes both elegance and aggression. Its sleek, aerodynamic profile is highlighted by a bold front grille, aggressive air intakes, and sharp LED headlights. The rear features a distinctive quad exhaust system and a subtle spoiler, adding to the car's sporty character. Available in a range of striking colors, including the signature Competizione red, the Giulia Quadrifoglio stands out in any setting. Inside, the Giulia Quadrifoglio offers a luxurious and driver-focused cockpit. The sport seats, upholstered in premium leather and Alcantara, provide excellent support during spirited driving. The cabin features high-quality materials, including carbon fiber trim and a leather-wrapped steering wheel with integrated controls. The infotainment system includes a 8.8-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity and convenience. Advanced technology and safety. The Giulia Quadrifoglio is equipped with a suite of advanced technology and safety features. The 2024 model includes an adaptive cruise control system, lane keeping assist, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. These technologies work together to enhance driving safety and confidence. The infotainment system is intuitive and responsive, offering easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The optional Harman Kardon sound system delivers a premium audio experience, further enhancing the driving pleasure. Market impact and availability. The 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio has garnered widespread acclaim for its blend of performance, design, and luxury. Its competitive pricing, combined with its status as a top performer in the small car segment, makes it a compelling choice for driving enthusiasts and discerning buyers alike. Available at Alfa Romeo dealerships nationwide, the Giulia Quadrifoglio is set to capture the attention of those seeking a high-performance compact sedan. Its combination of power, design, and advanced features makes it the best small car for 2025. Conclusion. The 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio stands as the pinnacle of small car excellence, offering unmatched performance, striking design, and a luxurious driving experience. As the best small car for 2025, it continues to define the standards for high-performance compact sedans, showcasing Alfa Romeo's commitment to delivering an exceptional driving experience.